To my second video. Here it is the code. This is the code which I used before in my first video to make a button. So let's check the button. So this is the button which I have made previously. So we'll add some hover effect over this button. Okay, so for that we'll use some hover code. Let's copy this class name and put it below in between the style. We'll start with this full stop and copy the class, and here we have to start with the column and write hover. So how it is done, and open and close the curly bracket. So specify some background color. I'll give it blue. So save it and check it. So it changes. So it was so simple, guys. Now we'll see how to take this button to the right here. That is done by using float right. Okay, save it and check it in the browser. So it is changing. What else? We can take this button to this side or anywhere. So for that purpose we'll use margin or padding. Let's use it. Let's use some margin right equal to 50 pixel. Okay, save it and check it. So it is changing, right? So let's give a big number. I'll give it 500. Okay, it's changing. So we don't use padding here, because if we add padding to the class name of button inside this class name, then this button font name will take some padding to the right or left according to the code. So let's check it by example. Padding left, give it 50 pixel. So save it and check it again. See guys, it took some padding, left padding. So for that case we don't use this padding. But if you want to use padding, then we can use it in another case. For example, if we use some div over here, div, and close it here, and we have to specify some class here. Say class name is button. So for this button class, if we use padding, then it will took some padding. It will not took font padding, likewise in this. So the case will be different. So guys, we'll not do this right now. We'll do it in future videos. So for now, let's say, okay, now it is in the original place. So add some, we will remove this float right and margin right here, and we'll add some margin left. Okay, margin left. Let's give it 400 pixels and check it. Okay, now it is taking this left padding. To make it sure, let's give it 0 pixel if it's working or not. So you can see it's taking some, it is in original place now because I have given margin left as 0. So let's give it 600 and save it. Okay, it changes, right? So then what else, guys? Okay, still there is something left. Now we will see how to give this top padding and bottom padding. So let's specify margin top equal to 50 pixel. Let's save it. It's changing. It took some padding over the top. Let's change the number to 200. Okay, it's working again. Now what about the margin bottom? Margin bottom, right? So margin bottom and top is similar, but the different is we use margin top to take margin top, this top one padding. For the bottom we will take bottom padding. That is only the different, but it will not take right now because we have already specified this margin top. If we will remove this margin top and write margin bottom, then it will work. So guys, this is how we can give margin left, right and top as well as margin bottom. But right now I have not given margin bottom because our button is in the front, right? So we don't need that right now. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is my request guys. Please thumbs up. This is my second video. Please comment below if you want new features or new code in the web development. I'll surely make it. Bye bye. Have a good day.